Welcome back, fellow explorers. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of volcanoes, where the Earth's powerful forces shape our landscapes. Get ready for an explosive journey as we unravel the mysteries of these incredible geological phenomena. Volcanoes are nature's fireworks, magnificent displays of the Earth's raw power. They are formed when molten rock, known as magma, rises to the surface, creating eruptions that can be both awe-inspiring and dangerous. Volcanoes come in various forms, each with its own unique characteristics. Shield volcanoes, like the ones found in Hawaii, have broad, gentle slopes created by layers of lava flowing from long cracks or fissures. Stratovolcanoes, such as Mount Fuji in Japan, are tall and steep with alternating layers of ash, rock, and lava. And then there are cinder cones, like Pyroclastic in Mexico, which are formed from explosive eruptions ejecting fragments of rock and ash into the air. Now, let's take a closer look at what happens during a volcanic eruption. When pressure builds up beneath the Earth's surface, it can cause the magma to rise, leading to an eruption. The intensity and type of eruption depend on various factors, including the composition of the magma and the presence of gases. Effusive eruptions occur when low-viscosity magma flows steadily out of the volcano's vent, allowing gases to escape easily. This type of eruption often results in the formation of lava flows and can be relatively gentle. On the other hand, explosive eruptions are much more dramatic and can be extremely hazardous. They occur when highly viscous magma traps gases, leading to a buildup of pressure. When the pressure becomes too great, it causes a violent explosion, ejecting ash, rocks, and pyroclastic flows into the air. These explosive eruptions can have far-reaching impacts, affecting not only the immediate surroundings but also global climate patterns. Volcanic ash and gases released during eruptions can reach the upper atmosphere, forming a veil that can block sunlight and lower temperatures worldwide. But it's not all doom and gloom. Volcanic eruptions also have positive aspects. The ash and volcanic soils, rich in minerals, make the surrounding areas fertile for agriculture. In fact, some of the most productive agricultural regions in the world are located near volcanic areas. Understanding volcanoes is crucial for scientists and communities living in their vicinity. By studying volcanic activity, scientists can better predict eruptions, giving people valuable time to evacuate and mitigate potential risks. So, whether it's the majestic shield volcanoes of Hawaii, the towering stratovolcanoes of Japan, or the explosive cinder cones in Mexico, volcanoes captivate our imagination and remind us of the immense power that lies beneath our feet. So, next time you see a volcano on a map or in person, remember the incredible forces that shape our planet.